If you're anything like me, you've run out of space in your rig. This Yukon here with the third row up, there's like this much room. So I've used hitch baskets lots of times. You know, gives you a little more cargo space here. But what do you do if you're carrying something expensive like tools or generator, or you're picking something up like an engine and you don't want somebody to steal it? Well, got a solution for you today. All right, what do we got here? It's the Torklift Lock and Load. This hitch basket is awesome. This thing is beefy. It is so heavy. So it's definitely not like your aluminum hitch baskets, but it's stout, which is awesome. That is a good looking unit. Let's see what else we got here. All right, this must be the locking mechanism. Okay, ample fire starter. Right on. Okay, more fire starter, right on. I think the next thing to do is get this hitch basket stuck into the back of the Yukon, and we can figure out how that lock mechanism works. All right, since this product was intended for locking down your generator, that's what we're going to demonstrate today. So you're going to set your generator off to the side that you want it on, okay? And then you can figure out where the crossbar is going to go. So the crossbar just folds and snaps in, but you got to do it after, you got to do it with the generator out, but you got to kind of see where it's going to go here. So we'll set that right there so we know that's the tabs that we want. So these are the vertical bars that we're going to secure your generator with that, and take this little T-screw and secure that in there. And your other one is adjustable for width, so I have to set that generator back in here again. Okay, I think so I got room to pull this. If I wanted to start it on here, I'm going to go on this side of the slot. So that goes like that, and then you twist it, slide it all the way back, and then this T-screw is going to have a washer on it, so you can secure that down. Then we want that slot, you pop this guy in there. It's going to flex towards the item you're securing, and then pop over like that. Make sure I got that right. Yep. And got this little pin here. It's gonna secure it together. So got the T-screw securing this vertical, T-screw with the washer securing this vertical, and then our crossbar popped in the slots. It bends towards the items you're securing, and we got a pin in there. All right, so now we can pop this guy in. All right, so then we got these pieces. The one with the big L and all the little slots, it goes on first. So you just want it to go on there where it gets the closest to your item you're securing. And then we want to go to slot 6 for my situation. And flex that out, get that in, locked in there. Then we got some 1/4-20 bolts to put in right here. All right, we're not going to say this is for safety because, you know, but this, we'll say it's for visibility. Ooh, she's tight. Basically, this is just so you can know that you've got something back here when you're reversing. You can see it in there. I may need to clean that hole out with a drill bit, but I'm not going to deal with it today. If you're wanting to be able to see this thing back there, it might be kind of nice to have this little antenna. All right, and here's the locking mechanism. Pretty beefy unit. So that little pin there goes right through here. So stick your key in there, and it's going it's in line this way. When you turn it, so it's perpendicular to the circle, How do you make something perpendicular to a circle? Anyway, when it's pointed that direction, you can yank it right out like that. So it looks like they want you to go this way. Sweet. That looks really nice. I like it. So let's go for a little drive, see how she rides. Well, generator's still there, so that's good. I'm very impressed with Torklift's products. I mean, that toolbox that they sent me, that thing is stout, and this thing is beefy. The way it all goes together, you can basically customize it to whatever will fit inside that basket area. And having, you know, lock stuff down is gonna be super nice. My intention for this thing is actually to put it on the front of my big trailer, but I got some fab work to make that work. And I want to be able to lock down my tools or lock down a generator or a portable welder, something like that. And obviously it's only as good as having a locking pin. It doesn't come with a locking hitch pin, so you'll want to get one of those if you want to actually be secure. But that's pretty awesome to have something that's nice and stout. You can hold 400 pounds on that thing, and there's probably a safety factor in there, to be honest. I'd put an engine on it. It is stout. It's all made of steel. Thank you, Torklift, for helping out the channel. Be sure to check out their products. I'll leave a link to the website below, and I'll leave a link to the Torklift Lock and Load below. You can put it in the back of your RV, put it in the back of your truck. If you got like a truck camper, it'd be a perfect way. Even mount it to the front of your truck if you got like a front receiver to lock down your generator and those types of things. So anyway, thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.